Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Now select Connection Preferences. Tap on Printing and Default Print Service. Now wait, your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different service, disable this one first by clicking on the green switcher. Go back. Tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP1. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Now tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!